Hi guys, welcome to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to start YouTube automation channel with AI, YouTube automation with free AI tools tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I will be talking about and showing you how you could start your own YouTube automation while utilizing different types of AI. Now, assuming with this method, you are a sole person or you're the only one who is inside this YouTube automation process. So you don't have a team yet, so that's why you're trying to utilize your very own, or you're trying to utilize the different free AI tools that you could use for your YouTube automation. And I will be demonstrating them in today's video. Now, the first thing you could do, or the first platform that you could utilize, is something called vidIQ. If you would like to check out vidIQ, please check the link in the description for the link to this platform over here. But anyway, vidIQ is a platform that helps you grow your YouTube automation channel. Not only does it have AI tools, it will also assist you and help you build your YouTube channel so that you could get monetized as well. As you can see, there is some goals that you could utilize here. For me, because my channel, or the channel that I have connected in vidIQ, is a brand new channel, it will provide you with goals that you should achieve, such as views, and you have your monetization tracker over here, and like goals like post 2 videos per month. So it's going to give you, or going to assist you with the growth of your YouTube automation channel. Now, this platform or this tool also has AI. And you have the AI that will be very useful for your YouTube automation as well, such as daily ideas over here. So I already generated one idea over here. I put in YouTube automation, and it's going to show you an idea or topic ideas that you could create a video on. And we have here how to automate your YouTube channel, the ultimate guide. So for example, we have chosen a niche. So let's say technology niche, something like that. And then when you click on apply, it will generate an idea regarding or close to this specific idea that you have typed. And you have technology niche over here. We have right now 5 gadgets you need to keep an eye on in 2018, or for today, 2023, you can say that 10 free tools to boost your AI strategy, and AI is here to change the way you live. And you can see the prediction over here on views. You have very high on the first one, high on the second, and medium on the third. And that's a very nice feature, especially if you really don't have any idea yet, or if you forgot, or if you don't have any plans on what type of video you're going to post. There's also AI generator over here, such as you could ask it to generate, or let's say talk about pyramids and aliens, something like this. And when you click on go, it will generate you a title, a description, keyword, thumbnail backgrounds, video script, and voiceover over here, which is a very, very nice feature. You have your title over here, unraveling the enigma, pyramids and aliens connection reveal. Then you have your description over here. The nice thing also is that it will generate your keywords for you, and you even have some photos available for you to use. As you can see here on the thumbnail backgrounds, though this is for the background. And as you can see, you also have your script over here, and you have a very simple voiceover over here, which I'm not going to play, but actually let's play.
Welcome, curious minds.
But as you can see, the voiceover isn't really that great. Now, after using vidIQ, you could also utilize ChatGPT. So if ever you don't like the script provided by vidIQ, you could ask ChatGPT to provide a script about this. So create a long 10-minute script that talks about this topic for YouTube. Then you can simply click on enter over here, and of course ChatGPT will generate the output, as you can see here. Then after the generated output, you could either go use another AI tool over here called 11 Labs. And 11 Labs allows us to convert any type of text into speech. So for example, we have this, copy and paste it over here in 11 Labs. You can see this is the script. You could change the language or you could change the voice speaker over here.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
You can utilize Adam as our speaker over here. Then if you click on generate, we will be able to have an AI voice, which is also a very AI voice.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another
Where you can't really notice that it is an AI. So let's listen to this. Let's start from the beginning.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of Mysteries Unveiled. Welcome back.
See, it was a really nice voiceover provided to us by 11 Labs. You could also utilize Pexels over here as a source of videos that you could have, because if you search here, pyramids, click on enter, you will be able to see all the different stock videos that you could utilize for your clips. And this allows you to have free videos, meaning you're not going to be demonetized or have some copyright issues with the videos that you create, because these are all royalty free and you could use them however you wish. And those are 3 free AIs that are very useful right now, especially in YouTube automation, especially with IQ over here, which is a very big help, especially with the keywords and the description over here. Even the title is very useful. You could utilize ChatGPT with your script making, use 11 Labs with your voiceover, and then you could just put together some clips and you will be able to successfully create a video for your YouTube automation without even showing your face or using your own voice. And that's basically it. Those are the processes that you need to do for your YouTube automation. Now you could utilize any editing platform out there. You could use Canva if you want. You could use CapCut. You could use Clipchamp. A lot of editing software that out there are very useful. To be honest, it doesn't really matter which editing software you use, as long as you will be able to compile all these processes or all these files that you have, such as the speech that 11 Labs has given you, the different images or videos from Pexels, and putting them together, you will be able to export a very simple yet a very effective YouTube automation. Now, how is it effective? Because pyramids and aliens are a topic that are always intriguing. So if you search pyramids and aliens, you will be able to see a lot of videos about it. There's even a lot of YouTube automation channels that talks about pyramids and aliens. So that's a good idea or a good news, meaning that that specific niche is a very effective niche. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.